Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we have another really nice, good weather day. It's supposed to actually get up until like the 80s, which is pretty wild. But nice weather means I'm doing more outside projects. It feels so good to be outside. So the plan today is to clean my front porch. I am going to get out the blower and do a little quick leaf blow, and then I'm going to do some pressure washing. I'm not gonna go crazy with the pressure washing, but just do a little bit up by the front door and pressure wash my porch swing because that is actually really dirty. I pulled out my pressure washer and got it all set up to use just to make sure everything was functioning properly, since this is the first time I'm using it for the season. And lo and behold, my nozzle for it was cracked. So I attached that to the little wand thing, and of course the water is just like spraying everywhere. So I'm headed to Home Depot to buy a new nozzle for my pressure washer. These things are $45, which seems kind of crazy. So besides cleaning, I'm also going to do some decorating on my front porch. I have a wreath out there right now, but that's it. I'm going to put my topiaries back up. I've got a new little setup for that I'm excited for. And just do some general decorating for spring and prepping for the warm weather that is coming with the seasons. So when I ran into the Home Depot, I spotted these urns and they were marked down from like $54, $55 to $24. And I was like, that's such a good deal. I really don't need them, but that is just such a good deal. And I love the look of them. I'm going to use these as a replacement for my faux boxwood topiaries up by my front door to give them a little bit more height. When I picked these up, I was like, oh, I'll spray paint them black like I pretty much do everything else. But I think I'm actually gonna sit with them. But I just loved the detailing on them. I'm going to actually place my little topiaries in here right now. I got some stone as well to fill in the bottom, and you guys will see what I mean in a minute. I did get my overpriced nozzle replacement here, and the first thing I'm doing is washing my little faux topiaries here. I'm just using my regular hose to give them a little spray, get all the dust and debris off of them. They can sit in the sun and dry while I am cleaning the rest of my porch. I pulled out my leaf blower first. I did this probably about a month ago, so it wasn't that bad. And before I started pressure washing, I just wanted to show you guys how dirty my porch swing was. I hadn't cleaned it since probably last fall or maybe even August. It definitely needed a cleaning really bad. A lot of my concrete is permanently discolored, but you can definitely see it was also really dirty with different bug goops and bird poops. So I decided to start right with the swing. This is a polywood porch swing, and the pressure washer works so well on this. Before I had my pressure washer, I tried to clean it with like a scrub brush and just soapy water, and it did not do nearly as good a job as the pressure washer. So this thing has definitely been an amazing cleaning tool for me. Here's half of the bench cleaned and the other half is still dirty, just so you can appreciate the difference. And then I just made my way around the rest of the front porch. Like I said, I do have a lot of permanent discoloration, but I can definitely see a huge difference after I pressure wash everything. So I'm just making sure I get in all the nooks and crannies. I get some of the ceiling and the columns as well. I do my door, the windows. With like the screens and the light fixtures, I do stand a little bit further back so the pressure doesn't hit it as hard. Now while I'm waiting for the porch to dry, I am gonna prep my topiaries. So I'm removing all the plastic and whatnot, and then I placed one of the topiaries in there to see how deep it was so I would know how many rocks to put at the bottom. I got marble chips, but now I kind of wish I would have gotten smaller like gravel pebbles. They would have been easier to work with, and it also would have matched the faux little rocks that are at the base of the topiaries. But oh well, I don't really mind that much. And here is a little overview of my cleaned and decorated front porch. It is so nice to have it decorated and clean again, and all the flowers are starting to bloom. I just planted a ton of different shade perennials on the left side of the garden area, and all of my hyacinths that I planted last spring are just starting to come in. They are absolutely beautiful and they smell amazing, and I can't wait for the little tulips behind them to catch up. I am very happy with how my topiaries came out. I'm actually really glad I didn't end up spray painting the urns because I think the terracotta actually looks really nice. If this video motivated or inspired you, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button as well if you're not already for more gardening, yard, and home content just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.